Welcome back to day 2 of Leo unboxing and reviewing his birthday presents. We reviewed Combo Panda skateboard and now we're gonna pick another one. Leo, which one do you want to pick?
Welcome to Playtime with Leo. I'm the new kid in town.
Which one's that? Blur. Let's see Blur. This is Blur. Leo does not have a Blur yet, and he probably has about 100 Transformers.
So let's open it. So kids, we have it open. I already know how to transform it.
How do you know how to transform it already?
I already watched YouTube videos.
Oh, you've already watched other kids doing it. Okay, show me how it's done. Whoa!
I don't like being a human. I'll be in car instead.
This is Blur as a car.
And this is Blur as a human. And I just figured out you can transform him like this. Okay, I'm gonna see if the wheels work.
Wheels work.
Well, that's a test. He actually is fast. I don't like this and show.
And what does he do when he's a human?
He just saves people alive. Like this is going on right. Like he got captured. Yeah! Get out of here!
Is Blur a nice guy?
Yeah. Well, sometimes he like ruins the team. And then like this, blah blah blah. Dude, you're free. I'm a demon.
So Leo, tell us what you think about your new Blur Transformers.
I'll give it, I'm just kidding, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah. It's
pretty cool. Would you recommend this to your friends?
Yes.
Are you happy to add Blur to your collection?
Yep. And here's an easy way to transform into a car. So I'm down like, oh no, but I need to transform fast.
Oh, cool.
Sometimes it doesn't all the way, like it doesn't go all the way. Sometimes it does it all the way, like that. And sometimes this happens. Sometimes this happens.
Wow, that's awesome.
It just transforms. Okay.
Okay, cool toy. Thank you for the gift.
I think it broke.
Nope, he didn't break.
Okay, new thing. Blur's indestructible.
Blur is indestructible. He fell off the table and he survived. Thank you for watching day 2 of Leo unboxing and reviewing his birthday presents. Stay tuned for day 3 and see which gift he picks next.
Yes!
Bye!